Hey, on this afternoon's Q&A, we're going to go over the search warrant requirements. People have always asked what's needed for a valid search warrant. And there's a couple of concepts I want to go over. First is the general requirements. The application to issue a search warrant must be sworn under oath. It must lay out sufficient facts that establish probable cause that either a crime was committed or that evidence of a crime would be found in the place or person to be searched. Now, the last formal criteria is that it has to be signed by a judge. Okay, it can't be signed by the judge's clerk, can't be signed by the clerk of court, must be sworn under oath and signed by a judge. Now, what are the parameters of a search warrant? You have to specifically name the place or person you want to search. You can't say Andre's house, you have to name the house. If it's an apartment, you have to give the apartment number. You also have to determine what specific items you want to look for. You can't just do a blanket search. I'm looking for evidence of this murder. I'm looking for evidence of this financial crime. I am looking for evidence of drug trafficking. These are the things that I'm looking for. And once you do that, then that gives you another set of limitations. You cannot go and search for things or places where those things can't be found. So if the police are there to search for a safe, well, you're not going to find a safe in my wife's purse, so that's going to be off limits, right? Some other nuances with the warrants that you want to look at. As a general rule, you can't do a search warrant at nighttime or on Sunday, but you can petition the judge to sign it. If he does, it can be executed at night or on Sunday. Same thing, you're supposed to knock and announce. That's the normal rule. You can request permission if you can show facts that the person is armed or considered dangerous to go away with that condition. And lastly, warrants are presumed stale after 10 days from signing. So remember, the premise is if I go and search this place right now, I'll find this. Well, after 10 days, there's a bit of a presumption that the stuff ain't there no more. All right, so those are your major criteria for looking at a search warrant. We can talk about attacking a search warrant later in another video, but if you have any questions, you can email me at the link below.